Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, a bizarre story of a man of unsound mind who dressed up in a police uniform and carried out a series of operations in St. Elizabeth. Yes, you heard correctly. TVJ's Andrea Chisholm explains.
Imagine this. You're driving in the Red Bank area of St. Elizabeth, then being signaled to stop by a traffic cop to show your license and registration. A closer look reveals the unexpected. A mentally ill man fully decked out in police attire doing his version of a spot check. Well, that was the situation last Wednesday night in St. Elizabeth. TVJ News understands that when the guard room was left unmanned at the Junction police station, the man of unsound mind went inside and allegedly stole a police uniform, vest, belt and helmet. Our correspondent spoke with a resident who reminisced on his encounter with the new recruit.
I saw him right there and say, all right, officer. And say, yeah man. I'm just about to leave him.
So it's the first you have seen him?
It's the first I've seen him.
So you think he's a strange policeman?
Yeah, I thought so. Because he not fool anybody. Kind of uniform or something and him bowl hat and thing, you know. It's when I go down to my workplace, you know. When I went to my workplace, so somebody else say him saw him. I report him. And then say him stole, I don't know where he get the police uniform and thing from. He say he must get to from out of the station or something like that. I don't know.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.
Now, when our news center spoke with commanding officer for the St. Elizabeth Police Superintendent Catherine Lord, she said she was in a meeting and would respond later. Up to news time, there was no response. We also spoke with Assistant Commissioner of Police in charge of Area 3, Clifford Chambers, who said he was being fully briefed on the incident.